Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to iron clothes, specifically t-shirts. First, always check the care label on your garment. This tells you the correct temperature setting for the fabric. Next, fill your iron with distilled water. This prevents mineral deposits that can stain your clothes. Finally, adjust your ironing board to a comfortable height. This makes the process much easier on your back and arms. Now let's get to ironing. Lay your t-shirt flat on the board, ensuring it's completely smooth. Start with larger areas like the back and front panels, using long, even strokes. Avoid circular motions, as these can stretch the fabric. For collars, cuffs, and around buttons, use the tip of your iron. This allows for greater precision and a crisp finish on those tricky spots. Hey everyone, quick break. If you're finding these ironing tips helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give the video a like. On another note, life's too short for cheap socks. I highly recommend Darn Tough socks. They even come with a lifetime warranty. You can find a link to them and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Once your t-shirt is perfectly smooth, hang it up immediately. This prevents any new wrinkles from setting in while it cools. It's important to let the garment cool completely before folding or putting it away in your closet. Storing warm clothes can actually cause them to wrinkle again. Keep your ironed items in a cool, dry place to maintain that crisp, fresh look.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.